Hey traders, this is Monya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm very grateful today. We managed to reach 10,000 subscribers. I think by now we're at 10,500 subscribers, and that means a lot to me. That means a lot to me. You guys have been supportive. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and turn your notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. I promise guys, I'm gonna make this the best channel for your forex education. I'm gonna provide you with each and everything that I think is necessary in your trading journey, and then we are gonna grow together. So today I'm here with another analysis, and I just wanna say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. There's so many things to be grateful for today, right? So click the like button for Father's Day, show them some love, show them that you care, right, by clicking the subscribe button and the like button. So I'm gonna start off with pound versus USD. You know, you guys, I love this pair because the pip value for this pair is so much. Every pip is a lot, so I really love it. I think we're gonna look at GU, EU, AU, those three. I'm gonna give you the forecast on what I think is going to happen this week, so you can share this video with your friends, let them watch also and get some benefit, right? So I'm gonna start with, as usual, from the weekly time frame on GU, and I'm gonna draw my trends, what I see. So I can see we are still in the downtrend on GU. GU is still trending down. I think it's clear the GU is trending down, right? Maybe let's move on to the daily time frame and see what's happening. Okay, yes, we see major resistance zone to be here, right, and another support to be here. I'm just gonna, these are zones, remember. This is a support zone, this is a resistance zone. So maybe wondering why is it so big. I'm just gonna label the whole zone since we're in a bigger time frame. So you can see that GU has been pushing down, right? On the daily time frame, there is a good confirmation right there. Okay, and maybe let's move on to forward time frame and let's see if we're able to spot anything. Okay, maybe we'll try something called trends in trends. You can see that although we are in a downtrend, there is this trend that is pushing up. I don't know if you can see that, guys. We have a trend in our trend. I think I always emphasize this each and every time. We have this uptrend sort of from our downtrend, from our normal downtrend, and it seems like GU has broken this bottom support level. I don't know, but so far this is what it looks like from our forward time frame. Maybe let's get deep. So if you are trading from the forward time frame, already you can see that there's been a breakout. It can either be you can now search if it's a breakout or it's a fake out. Remember, there are two different things, breakout or fake out. So if you are a swing trader or a position trader, you trade big time frames, already you can see that you can maximize on this. You can short GU if you're looking at the forward time frame, because you know it's gonna fall from here. Let me draw this. It's gonna fall to here and maybe continue break up to this level, right? So for those that trade, those that hold for a little bit of time, I think this will be a good entry for you to short. Right, maybe let's move on to the 1 hour time frame, for us who would like to maybe hold for a little bit of time. So this is the 1 hour time frame, and okay, maybe let me show you another trend that is happening here. So this is a technique called trends in trends. You can see that I'm drawing trend lines in other trend lines that I'm already in, right? So again, on on the 1 hour time frame, I can see that price broke and then tried to retest this position and then kept on pushing down. So selling would be an added advantage, although we can have this pullback and then continue in a downtrend. You see, so this is what is most likely to happen to GU. I don't know what is going to happen. It's in a confusing state right now, but I just thought I would share to you. So these are the possibilities that we have currently. So you can either wait for it to maybe reach one of these positions. If it reaches this position, you know that it's gonna push up again to for correction. If it reaches this position, you know that definitely we are now going into a downtrend, right? Okay, that's GU for you. Let's move on to Euro USD. Let me start on the daily. I think we've been looking at the weekly for quite some time now. Okay, our daily time frame for EU again is confirming that we are in a downtrend. Sorry, we are in a downtrend, and this is what has been happening, right? This is pretty obvious. Let's move on to the 4 hour time frame and see what exactly has been taking place. So we have these fake house that have been happening with EU. Eurusd has been trying to push out of this downtrend but failing to do so, and coming back again, trying to push but failing, coming back down here. So maybe we can move closer to our time frame and see what has been happening. So it has been setting a lot of levels. Apparently we have this level, we have this level, we have this level. That is the level that we are currently in, or a zone rather. We have this we have this one, right? So these are the levels these are the zones that price has been trying to reach for EURUSD. So maybe let's move on to lower time frames and see what exactly has been happening. So already you can see that trends shows that looking for the correct position that we have at least 3 touches. Maybe let me draw this properly. Okay, let me try and draw this properly and have so many points. Okay, something like this. This has been the behavior of Eurusd. So again, it's also trying to, it has pushed coming out of this uptrend, trying to descend at this level. So a good position to sell maybe what was at this point. You had a resistance level, you had this trend line. Again, you also had this line. So these are good selling opportunities that you could have got. And maybe let's confirm what then we should do. Okay, this bottom trend line I think is not yet ready, but if we have the third position, we can know where to put it. So this is the current situation for EURUSD. We might expect it to break this support level and start falling, or retest this trend line again and then retest this and then continue into the uptrend, right? But the most likely thing is price gonna bounce here and go back up. Okay, so the bounce is going to be there. Market is in a very tricky position right now, so I think it's gonna bounce and then break, right? Because I think this was the highest level it could have ever reached. So now it's now trying to correct its price. Okay, let's then move on to I think I had an analysis there. Let me remove it. This is AUD USD. Maybe for a change, let's analyze gold. I'm looking at what? Okay. I'm looking for a gold right here. So we have gold now. Oh, I think this is my first time analyzing gold on this channel. It's a bit tricky, but I know one thing about gold is I always start from the 1 hour time frame. That's just my rule. So from gold, price has been behaving quite well, guys. This is almost obvious. We have the support, we have the resistance level here. We have a resistance level here, which is almost obvious. We have another one here, which is almost obvious. And we have a trend pushing up. So we had so many confirmations here. We could have entered a buy. It was almost obvious. And sorry about that. Another one, another trend here. Sorry. So if you're a gold trader, okay, if you're a gold trader, probably price is going to bounce at this resistance level and fall back to here, and then maybe from here it breaks this resistance level, because price retested it. I think this was second time testing this resistance level, so this was pretty easy to see. Yeah, so this is all for today. Don't forget to click the like button for all the fathers out there, and just to show support and that you're enjoying this. One more thing before I forget. I think I had promised that if we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're going to have something. I don't know what you guys want, so why don't you comment it in the comment section what you want for the 10,000 subscribers celebration. Comment it down in the comment section. I promise I'm going to do exactly what you guys comment. The most commented thing, I think that's what we'll do for it to be easy for me, right? So the most commented thing that you want, guys, for the 10,000 subscribers. I know we're gonna reach higher levels, but for this we have to do a celebration. So comment in the comment section what you want, and I'll do it right here. Until next time.